Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Microsoft Authenticator codes to another phone step by step clearly. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your original phone. Navigate to the account you want to backup. Tap the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner. Select the option to export or backup accounts. You may be prompted to verify your identity using your preferred method, such as a PIN or biometric scan. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate a backup code. Once the backup is complete, take note of the backup code. Now, install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone. Open the app on your new phone. Tap on the option to import or restore accounts. Enter the backup code you noted earlier. If prompted, verify your identity again using your preferred method. Your accounts will start to sync to the new phone. Verify that all accounts have been successfully imported. For added security, enable cloud backup in the settings of the Authenticator app. This will ensure your codes are backed up automatically in the future. You are now ready to use Microsoft Authenticator on your new phone with all your saved codes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.